how to find a trendy filter for your Instagram reel. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. First, open your Instagram app. Once you open the app, swipe left. Once your camera section is open, click on reel down here. Once you click on reel, on the top left side there is an option of effects. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will have so many filters that you can use. Click on the trending option. You will see all these current filters are trending. If you like a certain filter, you can click on it and use it. And if you want to save it for later, on the top left there is an option. Click on it. Here we go, we have saved it. Now we just click on the saved button. This is one of the filter we saved. Now to record the reel, click on the top icon. Once you click, here the filter is, so you can just click on the filter, record your reel. And I hope this video helped you. If you have any doubts, make sure leave that doubts in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.